Hello everyone, welcome back to UGIIT. In the previous lesson, we learned what about is and why it's becoming one of the most popular website development platforms. So today we will create our Webflow account and explore the Webflow dashboard so you can understand where all your project and setting are managed. So first point, why do you need a Webflow account? So before building any website in Webflow, we need an account. A Webflow account allows us to create and manage project, design website, publish website, use CMS features, and collaborate with the clients and the teams. So think of it as your personal workspace where all your Webflow projects are stored. So let's get started. To your browser and search webflow.com and click on start for free, and you can sign up with your Google account and also the type your work email and create your password. So right now I am login, I am sign up with Google, and click on my email account, and it will be the automatically login to your dashboard. So this is the interface of your Webflow account, and this account has already I am using. So that's why this is the one project. So if your account is a new, so that is your project is the 0. So right now I have introduced all of the left panel. So this is the all project. So first, here is the workspace. So you can create create any of your workspace. So this is my the default workspace, the Kosik workspace, and these are also the all projects. So these are the all the listed that I have, that I created all the project. And this is the site panel, and here will be the also the listed on all of the project. So app section, app section, this is the not the important right now. So next is the general setting. So this is the workspace name. You can upload your workspace icon as per your need. So this is the off toggle. This will be take the off, and enable Webflow AI. So this will be the on. So when I use on the AI using Webflow, so it will the help of our project. And this is the team section. So you can invite your member or your team. And also if you work any agencies or freelancer guest, so you'll be the invite as a guest. So you can also the work on the two-way system. And this is the plan. So right now my account is the starter plan. So the starter plan, it will be the unlimited paid hosting site, and the two webflow.io staging site. This means for the starter plan, we will create on the two webflow project, and 2 pages per stage site. This means 2 pages on the each project. So that's mean 2 project, and 2 pages, I mean the four pages total created on the starter plan, and 50 CMS item per stage site. So the 50 CMS means like blog, portfolio, or service. So I will create on the 50 blogs or 50 portfolios in the starter plan on the each project. And here will be the agency and freelancer guest. So you can invite in your 2 guests or 2 agencies, and here will be the all the plans. So you can go through your plans. So right now we have the starter plan for the learning purpose, and it will be the not important for the right now. and go to the all project. So right now I have created the new project. So click on the new project and click the site, and this is the site and this is the app. So you will be the create a app or your site. So right now I have created the site, so click on the site, and here will be the three option: AI site builder, template or blank site. So on the learning purpose we will use the blank site. So AI site builder means it will be the I write the prompts and build the site. This will be the same. And here is the template. So here is the menu of the template of your website. Just you can change in your logo, in your image, and your content. So right now for the learning purpose we will be start on the scratch. So click on the blank site, and here will be the site name. So I can write on the UGIIT, the created on the site. So here is the all the canvas that I create on the website. So here is the many of the things. And so in the in the next session I will guide all of the element, what is the purpose, and who is this. So so that's it. So right now, so go to your dashboard, and here will be the created on the UGIIT recap all of the things. So today we learned how to create a Webflow account, how to access the dashboard, and what each dashboard section does, and how to create your first project. So these are the essential first step before starting any Webflow website. So in the next episode, we will take a complete tour of the Webflow designer and learn how to interface works. So if you found lesson helpful, don't forget to like the videos and subscribe to our UGIIT channel and turn on notification. So thanks for your watching, and I will see you in the next session.